Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRMX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, going to do a little house cleaning here. Just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter and lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, 0016 is that area, or was that area of support, but now that the price is broken down below it, you would expect it to act as resistance, and it's actually already done that once. You can see right here, there's a little bounce up, and then that's right where it got rejected. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never ever get up above 0016 again. I'm just saying that it makes sense why the price is now kind of struggling right around that area. So that'll definitely be, kind of near term public enemy number one going into Thursday. As far as supports, and this is where you got to give credit where credit's due, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have even just a basic understanding of charts. But if you do have a basic understanding, I'm sure you've heard of the 50 period simple moving average, and you know that assuming you're long, when it's upsloping, you want to see the price stay above it. And on my chart, that 50 period is being denoted by the purple line right there. And yeah, like I said, to give full credit where credit's due, the price approached it, got a nice bounce right there. So that is certainly going to be the key area of support going into both Thursday and Friday. If the price does not hold above there, then it kind of enters into no man's land as the next level of support, not until down around, the triple zeros. And, nobody wants to see a price go drop, back into the triple zeros where it becomes like just a big mud pie down there. But so far, like I said, so good. The bulls have done a good job of holding above there, so we'll see if they can maintain that or not. In the event there is any sort of turnaround to the upside, like I said, that's where 0016 comes into play as resistance. Still a couple of days left this week, so let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.